Hello बच्चों, today I will explain some more questions in exercise 2.5 and that is the last exercise of the chapter polynomial. Let us discuss question number 7, one part of question 7, that is given 99 to the power 3. Some other parts also have been given. This 99 to the power 3 can be calculated as simply multiplying 99 3 times itself, but in this question you have to use the formula for solving this. So for the purpose of solving this you have to break this, not the break, but you have to write in the manner 100 minus 1 to the power 3. 100 minus 1 is giving you 99. It means 99 can be written as this much. But now what format is looking to you? This format is looking a minus b whole to the power 3, and you are having formula for this expression. The identity is, what was identity? Just you recall it, a cube minus b cube minus 3 ab a minus b. You can recall all the identities from previous lecture, and or rather you would have noted that. Now by applying the formula, a represents 100 here, b represents 1. Simply a and b are 100 and 1. You replace in this formula by 100 and 1. This will become, using the formula you will write 100 to the power 3. Actually I have taken 100 for the sake of convenience. Suppose you are doing 100 to the power 3, it is so easy rather than doing multiplication of 99 3 times. You will have to break the numbers taking the base number, rather 10, 100, 1000, whatever. Some digit may be added or may be subtracted. Suppose you have been given to calculate 103. This may be written as 100 plus 3. Not any other number would be taken at this place. This would be 100, 10 or 1000, whatever the need of the question accordingly. Here it was 100 to be taken. Means a cube minus b cube, b is 1, 1 to the power 3 minus 3 into 100 into 1 into 100 minus 1. This will become 1 followed by 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1, and minus this will be 300, and within the bracket this will become 99, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 minus solution of this would be 2 zeros, 3 9 is 27, 3 9 is 27 plus 2 29. These two negative will be added, 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus this will be 29701. Now you subtract this quantity and your answer will come. Your answer will come 970299. In this manner you have to solve the question. Other parts you also can do. Let us take one more question, that is question 8. One part of the question 8, that is given 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now this format is not looking matching up to the format of any identity or formula. Let us rewrite it. Before rewriting, I want to make you known with the formula of a plus b whole cube. Then a plus b whole cube, just I should write in the top of the paper. A plus b whole cube would be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Two quantities looking a cube plus b cube. It is written 8a cube, rather you will write it 2a to the power 3. It should be something power 3. Now 2 is involved, this number is involved in the whole cube plus b cube. Now take whatever looking common here, that is 6 AB is common. Within bracket you will left 2A plus B. Once more you should rearrange it. 2A whole cube plus B cube plus 3 into 2A into B into 2A plus B. Just taking something common in the second step, in the last two terms, you are obtaining the format A cube plus B cube plus 3AB and A plus B. This is matching with the formula of A plus B whole cube. Means given expression is to be written in the format of the given formula. Now this right side of the formula is matching with the given question. You can apply in the reverse order. This will simply become 2A plus B whole cube. This is the solution. It means rather you apply formula from left to right or right to left. This will depend on the need of the question. And in this question we have followed in this way. And you will have to rearrange something, take common, express the question in the format of the formula. This is the need of the question and that will be done accordingly. Now one question is there, question 9. In question 9 it is saying verify something and expression is written x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y x square minus xy plus y square. This is also formula. What is the meaning of verification? Verification means this formula is written in terms of x and y, means some literals have been given. This formula will hold for any two digits, two numbers, you can say, whether you take x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. If you will calculate left side and right side, both the calculation will be the same. This is the verification of the formula. For the purpose of verification, you will have to assume two values. Let x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. You can take also other values. I am just explaining taking 1 and 2. When you solve the question, you should take other values like minus 1, minus 2 or 2 and 3, whatever you want. Then check whether left and right side coming equal. Then LHS, this is left side, LHS is equal to x cube plus y cube. Now simplify it. 1 to the power 3 and plus 2 to the power 3. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8. Calculation of the left side is coming 9. Then what is the calculation of right side? Now I am solving this side. RHS would be, RHS is this much, x plus y and x square minus xy plus y square. Xy means putting the value 1 plus 2, 1 square minus 1 into 2 plus 2 square. 2 square means 2 to the power 2. This is 3 within bracket 1 minus 2 plus 2 to the 4. This solution is coming 3, 3 3 is 9. Now left side is coming 3, right side is coming 3. Hence the given expression is verified. This type of question, any formula can be verified. Some 2-3 questions have been given. Other formulas, whatever the identities I have given you yesterday, you can also prove them in this way. Now there is an important question, that is question 13. It is given if x plus y plus z is equal to 0. It does mean addition of three quantities is 0. This is given. This will be the condition. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube, this is equal to, this is the formula holds. If this condition is given or holding, then this formula applies. There is a proof to be proved. This question, this expression is to be proved. For the purpose, I will take the given quantity x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Now shift z to right side. X plus y is equal to minus z. Take it to question 1 and cubing both sides. I will not write the expression, you have to insert the language cubing both sides. X plus y whole cube and minus z cube. What is the formula coming? A cube means x cube plus y cube plus 3 xy x plus y is equal to minus z cube. Now in equation 1 x plus y is equal to minus z, you have concluded this result. This x plus y equal to minus z can be used here. X cube plus y cube plus 3 xy into minus z is equal to minus z cube, or x cube plus y cube minus 3 xyz is equal to minus z cube. Now shift these two terms on their right places. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3 xyz. This is the proof. This is an important proof, and question may come like calculate or find the values. Suppose expression is given. I am just taking an example, not a question of the book. Questions you will have to solve. Minus 5 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3. It is being asked calculate the value. Now you will compare this equal to x, y, z. This will be x, y, z. Means x is equal to minus 5, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. Now you show whether x plus y plus z is equal to 3. Minus 5 plus 2 plus 3, that is coming to 0. It does mean this condition is holding here. Whatever the value is given, whether too large or less, doesn't matter. Addition is coming 0. If this step is following, means their formula holds. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Means addition of the cube of each quantity is equal to this much. Now simply put the values. Minus 5 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, this will be equal to 3 into minus 5 into 2 into 3, multiply 3 3 are 9, 9 2 ja 18, 18 5 ja 90, minus 90 is the answer. This was the concept of whole chapter, and all the questions have been covered of the exercise, I think, and this will be the last exercise of the chapter, and your chapter 2 is completed now, and your homework is to solve this exercise and revise all the exercise once for the better understanding. Thank you.